Okay. Next up, the topic is inverse trigonometric functions. In annual examination, they are asked 2 MCQ, 1 2 marks question and 3 marks question, total 7 marks a topic. Right? Before second year ಗಿಂತ ಮೊದಲ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡಮು. Go for the what year tables now. Right? The trigonometric, the angles now. Okay. Take the first one, the right, see now it is a 0 degree, right? Then after 30 now. Okay, next one is a 45 degree, next 60. Okay, next 90 degree now. Okay, 90 degree, right? Take here the trigonometric functions, that is the sine, cos, next tan, cot, secant, and that is a cosecant now, that is a cosec now. These are the what trigonometric functions here, right? Now take what is the sine 0, right? Write down in radian form also, right? 30 degree here. Now tell me 30 degree in radian. How many radians here? 5 by 6 radian. 45 meaning pi by 4, 60 meaning pi by 3, 90 meaning that is pi by 2 now. Pi by 2, right? Now tell me sin 0, 0. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Sin 45, 1 divided by root 2. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. Sin 90, that is 1 now, right? Take the cos table here. Write down the reverse of what? Sin now. Okay, what is the cos 0? That is 1. Cos 30, that is root 3 by 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Cos 60, that is 1 by 2. Cos 90, that is 0 here, right? Same as it is prepare the table, that is tan now, right? What is the tan 0? Sin by cos, that is tan. That sin by cos, tan, right? 0 by 1, 0 now, right? 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. 2 to get cancelled, that is 1 by root 3 now, right? Tan 45, 1, tan 60, root 3, tan 90, it is not defined now, not defined. 1 by 0, sin by cos, 1 by 0, it is not defined, right? Go for what? Cot table now, right? Cot, the cot is what? Reciprocal of the tan, right? Now tell me it is 1 by 0, take a 0 by 1, take a reverse, it becomes 1 by 0, not defined now. 1 by root 3 reverse, root 3. 1 by 1 reverse, 1 only. Root 3 by 1 reverse, that is 1 by root 3 now, right? Cot is nothing but what? Cos by sine. That cos by sine. 0 by 1, that is 0 now, right? Then go for what here? Secant table now. Secant is nothing but what? Reciprocal of the cos. That okay. It is 1 by 1 reverse, 1 only. 1. Root 3 by 2 reverse, 2 by root 3 now. Okay, 1 by root 2 reverse, root 2. 1 by 2 reverse, 2. Right? Secant meaning 1 by cos. That 1 by 0, 1 by 0, not defined. Right? Go for what here? Cosec now. Cosec meaning 1 by sine. That okay. 1 by 0, 1 by 0, not defined. 1 by 2 reverse, 2. Right? 1 by root 2 reverse, root 2. Root 3 by 2 reverse, 2 by root 3 now, right? Cosec meaning 1 by sine, right? 1 by 1, that is 1 now. This is the what? The table for what? All the trigonometric values for 0 to, that is 90 degree. Okay. Take up, that is negative angles now. Negative angles. So before that, go for the what here? Diagram now. Okay, it is a first quadrant, it is a second quadrant, then it is third quadrant, it is a fourth quadrant now, right? Fourth quadrant now. Okay, we know that in a first quadrant all are what? Positive now, right? In a second quadrant all silver teacups. Okay, in a second quadrant which two functions are positive? Sine and cosec are positive here. That sine and cosec are positive, right? In third quadrant tan and cot are positive, remaining are negative. cups now. That is cos and secant are positive, remaining are negative in the fourth quadrant now. Right? Take up that is negative angles sine of minus theta. Okay, next same as it is cos of minus theta. Next tan of minus theta. Okay, next cot of minus theta. Next secant of minus theta. Next cosecant of what here? Minus theta now. These are the what? Negative angles. Right? Now tell me, positive angle that is the 30 degree. Plus 30 degree lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. Minus 30 degree lies in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Right? Now these are the what? Negative angles. The negative angles are lies in which quadrant here? Fourth quadrant. In a fourth quadrant, which two functions are positive? Cos and secant are positive, remaining are negative. Correct? Then write down cos and secant in positive form. Remaining are in negative form now. Okay. Cos of minus theta, write down plus cos theta now. Plus cos theta. Same as this secant of minus theta, that is plus secant theta now. Remaining are negative. Correct? Sin of minus theta, minus sin theta. Tan of minus theta, that is minus tan theta. Cot of minus theta, minus cot theta. Cosecant of minus theta, that is minus cosec theta now. These are the what? Negative angles. Okay, right now. Right, take that is a table here. They are given domains and range for the what? All the inverse trigonometric functions here. Right, we know that what is the sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, cot inverse, secant inverse and cosecant inverse now. These are the what? Domain tables here. Right, simple and bit. That is sine inverse and cos inverse domains are what? Same now. That is closed interval minus 1 comma 1 and closed interval minus 1 comma 1. Closed interval meaning including. The values are what here? Including. These are the what? Tan and cot are same here. That is a real number. Right? Secant is nothing but what here? Real number minus open interval minus 1 comma 1. Open interval meaning excluding, not including. Meaning not including meaning other name is what? Excluding now. Right? See now the sine and cos inverse are same, tan inverse and cot inverse are same, and secant and cosec inverse are what? Same. These are the what? Domain table now. Right? Go for what? Range here. Right? Okay. Now see how the ranges are. They are set here. Okay. That is sine inverse range is closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 ಅಂತ closed interval meaning including, open interval meaning excluding, not including meaning other name is excluding now. Right? Heavy and bit table. Okay. Here logically now think here the sine and tan are same here. But sine and tan are what here? Sine inverse and tan inverse are what? Same. But what is the changes there? It is a in a sine inverse it is a closed interval. In a tan inverse it is a open interval. That's the difference, right? It is a closed interval here. It is a open interval. Right? Next one, again other two functions are same now. That is a cos and cot now. Take here. That is a cos and cot now. Okay. Cos and cot are what here? Same now. Cos and cot are what? Same. Cos inverse range is a closed interval 0 comma pi now. Okay. Cot inverse range is a open interval, that is 0 comma pi. Right? Same as it is a take. How can we remember that is secant inverse and cosecant inverse now? Right? Secant and then secant reciprocal ಏನು? Cos 1 by cos. Data. How can we write here? See now. Cos answer. In really cos answer minus remember that is pi by 2. Pi by 2 now. Right? Same as it is cosec inverse now. Cosec inverse cosec reciprocal ಬರ್ತದ sin ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅವತ್ತು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಈಗ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ sin ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 0 now ಇಷ್ಟು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ರೈಟ್ See here again sine and tan inverse are same, but the open and close intervals are different here. Same cos and cot inverse are what same now, right? Second ಹೆಂಗ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ತೀರಿ cos minus pi by 2. Write down cos answer and again pi by 2, right? Cosec ಹೆಂಗ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡಬಹುದು sin answer minus 0 now. These are the what range table now. Okay, ಏನು ಹೇಳತ್ತಾನೆ ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನ range ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. See here, now tell me that is a sine of 30 degree is equals to what? How many value here? That is a 1 by 2 now. Sine that is nothing but what? 1 by 2, right? Same as it is that is sine inverse sine of pi by 6 now. It is also what? 1 by 2 now. 1 by 2 now, right? Meaning that is the sine interval, that is the sine range is a closed interval minus pi by 2 to that is a plus pi by 2 now. Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, right? ಏನು ಹೇಳತ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ now take it is a axis here, right? It is 0 degree, it is a 90 degree, pi by 2 it is a pi, it is what that is a minus that is 3 pi by 2 here, 3 pi by 2, right? Which are if the revolving line is moved towards anti-clockwise direction, then it forms which angles? Positive angles. Ingodena positive angles ಬರ್ತಾ, right? Now take up the revolving line is towards clockwise direction, then it forms which angles? Negative angles. Okay, ಇದು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಇದು that is minus 90 degree. ಇದು what ಇಲ್ಲೇನ ಆಗ್ತದ minus 180 degree to minus 270 degree. It is that is minus 2 pi now. 2 pi ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೋದ್ರು minus 2 pi ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ plus 2 pi, right? Now see here, take up what is the sine inverse range there. Sine inverse range ಹೇಳತ್ತನಲ್ಲಿ sine inverse range ಏನದ minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 now, right? That is closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 now, right? Closed interval meaning including now, right? Including, okay. Minus pi by 2 including ಆಗ್ತದ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ plus pi by 2 ಆಗ್ತದ including ಆಗ್ತದ. ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, it is a plus 90 degree ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಮು that is pi by 2 now. Minus 90 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that is minus pi by 2 now. Revolving line is a clockwise direction, then it forms what negative angles, correct? ಇದು plus 90 degree, this one is what here minus ಅದು plus 90 it is minus 90. What is the sine inverse range? Closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 now. See here, ಅಂದ್ರ ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇರ್ತದ ಈ ರೇಂಜ್ ನಾಗ ಇರ್ತದ, that is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Take here dot meaning including. Minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2 is what here including. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ. Again the sine inverse is another similar function is what here tan inverse ಅದ. ಏನದ ಇದು tan inverse ಅದ. Take it is a tan inverse, that is range is what here tan inverse range is minus open interval minus pi by 2 to that is what plus pi by 2 now. Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Again take that is it is plus pi by 2, it is minus pi by 2 now. ಇಲ್ಲಿ open interval meaning excluding meaning minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is not considered. ಬಿಡ್ತೀವನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ open interval ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು, don't take a dot or take nod here. Nod ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು up to 89 degree ತನಕ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ 90 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? that is a open interval minus pi by 2 to here plus pi by 2 now. Dot meaning the values are considered, nod meaning that values are not considered now, right? Here the tan and that is sine inverse and tan inverse are what almost all similar here, right? Same as it is take cos inverse and cot inverse now, right? What is the difference here? The cos inverse is 0 to pi now. Closed interval 0 to pi. Closed interval 0 to pi meaning 0 nu consider ಆಗ್ತದ up to see now. That is a 0 degree to what here? 0 degree to 180 degree consider ಆಗ್ತದ, correct? Okay. Next what is the cot here? Open interval 0 to pi now. Open interval 0 to pi meaning it is not a dot, we have to take a nod here. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು nod ಆಯ್ತು, right? Then second inverse is what here? cos minus pi by 2, cosec meaning sin minus pi by 2. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇದು 0 to 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ್ದಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ pi by 2 ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅಪ್ ಟು 0 to 89 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ 90 ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದ 91 ಇದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, that is meaning of what second inverse range here, right? Suppose if the value is out of the range, okay, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನ, right? ನನಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. that is sin inverse, okay, that is sin inverse of 1 by 2 is how many degree? ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ that is 30 degree now, 5 by 6 now, 5 by 6, right? ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. that is sin inverse of what here, that is root 3 by 2 now, root 3 by 2, right? ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು, that value is sometimes what goes outside the range. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನ, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ರೇಂಜ್ ಹೆಂಗಾಗಿರ್ತದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ರೇಂಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ if the answer is 120 degree, ನಾನು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. if the answer is 120 degree, that line is what here outside the what range now. 120 degree ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕಡೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಇದು ಈ ರೇಂಜ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊರಗೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಈ ರೇಂಜ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊರಗೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅವಾಗ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, how to take this pi minus of what that value, that is theta. pi minus theta ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ automatically that the out of the range is converted to what here inside the range now, right? Range, if the suppose the answer is in directly inside the range means stop the problem now. Okay, exactly ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ರೇಂಜ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ಗಳು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ if the value is out of the range, ಈ ರೇಂಜ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. how to go for what here, pi minus that theta, pi minus that theta ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, right? then simplify ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೇಂಜ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ನಿಮ್ದು ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ರೇಂಜ್ ನೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. this is the what rule now. okay, right, a table, right? take here, that is example number 1. find the principal values of that is the sin inverse of 1 divided by root 2 now, right? solution, take y is equals to, okay, that given which question here, sin inverse of what 1 divided by root 2 now, right? sin inverse of what 1 divided by root 2 now, right? take this one as a y here, y is equals to sin inverse of what 1 divided by root 2 now, 1 divided by root 2, right? now sin inverse transfer here, it becomes what sin, right? sin inverse transfer ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಅದೇನಾಯ್ತು sin y is equals to what 1 divided by root 2 now. then sin y is equals to, take again here, it is the sin of what 1 divided by root 2 now. okay, sin y is equals to, that is the sin of okay, now tell me sin 1 by root 2 meaning how many degree, 45 degree. tell me the radian, that is pi divided by 4, pi divided by 4 now. here sin and sin get cancelled, what happens here, y is equals to pi by 4 now, y is equals to pi by 4, right? now check the table here. now see here, what is the sin inverse principal here, that is sin inverse range here, principal value branch, that is a closed interval minus pi by 2 to that is plus pi by 2 now. ಈ ರೇಂಜ್ ನ ಕಥೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಆಯ್ತಾ? now tell me here, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 meaning in diagram it is plus pi by 2, it is a minus pi by 2 including here ಇದೇನಿರಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ದು ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ y is equals to pi by 4 meaning how many degree, 45 degree. 45 degrees lies in which quadrant, ಯಾವ quadrant ಇರ್ತದೆ, first quadrant. maybe 45 illada, now it is lies in which quadrant here, first quadrant. now okay, now tell me the answer is inside the range or outside the range? Inside the range correct. Now y is equals to pi by 4 is belongs to, that is closed interval, minus pi by 2 to what here? Plus pi by 2. So therefore the principal, so therefore the principal value of sine inverse 1 by root 2 is ಎಷ್ಟು, that is what, pi divided by 4. Right, inside range na bandaga write the direct value that belongs to what given table now. Right, suppose ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? Right, take solution here. Right, cot inverse of, that is 1 divided by root 3 now. Right, cot inverse of 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 or minus 1 by root 3. Cot inverse of, that is minus 1 by root 3 here. Right, ಏನದು ಇದು? Cot inverse of minus 1 by root 3 now. Minus 1 divided by root 3 is minus 1 divided by root 3 here. Right, take this one as a y ಅಂತೇಳಿ correct. Now take it is y is equals to cot inverse of minus 1 divided by root 3 now. Transfer cot inverse, it becomes cot y is equals to that is minus 1 by root 3 now. Search in again cot table, take cot y is equals to cot of minus 1 divided by root 3 now. Correct. Okay, then cot y is equals to here, okay, cot of, right. Now tell me cot 1 by 3 is how many degree? 60 degree. Tell me in radian. Pi by 3. Correct. Which pi by 3 here? Minus pi by 3. Keep minus as it is. Answer is what here? Minus pi by 3 now. Okay. Now cot get cancel. Y is equals to what happens here? Y is equals to ಏನು ಬಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? minus pi by 3 ಬಂತ. Is it this answer is lies in the given range. ಆ ರೇಂಜ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊರಿ. Okay, ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅದು? cot ಇಂದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ. Now take here cot inverse range is what? Open interval 0 to pi now. Cot inverse open interval 0 to pi correct. Take it is in a diagram form now. Okay, open interval 0 to pi meaning 0 is not ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದು ಡಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಏನದು ನಾಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೈ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ನಾಟ್. ನೀನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೈ 0 and it is pi here. ರೈಟ್, ಈ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಆ ರೇಂಜ್ ನ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. It is y is equals to minus pi by 3. Minus pi by 3 meaning how many degree? Minus 60 degree. Minus 60 degree ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಯ್ತು? ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತದ? minus 10, minus 20, minus 30 ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು? ಅದು fourth quadrant ನೇ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಆನ್ಸರ್. Right, now the value is what here? Outside the range. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಅದು? Outside the range ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Inside the range ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿನಿ ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ pi minus of what? theta here. Right, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Right, now take it is cot y is equals to cot of, right, see here range ಏನದ? ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ? ಇದು ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್. ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? pi minus ಅದೇನದ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಏನು? pi by 3. pi minus pi by 3 now. Right, now solve this one. Cot y is equals to cot of 3 into pi, 3 pi minus 1 pi whole divided by 3 now. Okay, cot y is equals to cot of 3 pi minus 1 pi, 2 pi divided by 3 here. Cot and cot cancel it up. Then take what is the value here? Y is equals to ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡೋದು? Y is equals to that is 2 pi by 3 now. ಈಗ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, is it 2 pi by 3 is belongs to that lies in a given range. ಇದಂತೂ ಆ ರೇಂಜ್ ನ ಬಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? minus pi by 3 ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. 2 pi by 3 ಅಲ್ಲ. pi by 3 meaning how many degree? 60 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನಾನು. 60 into 2 120. 120 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದ? ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತದ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಈಗ the first value is outside the range. After the simplification it becomes what here? Inside the range. Is inside the range one. Got no doubt. Here the y is equals to 2 pi by 3 is belongs to which interval? That is 0 to pi, 0 to pi now. So therefore the principal, the principal value of cot inverse minus 1 by root 3 is it is 2 pi divided by 3 is the answer. Okay, right now. Okay, take up exercise 2.1, that is first headline. Find the principal values of the following the questions now, right? Take first one here, sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. Solution, sine inverse of that is minus 1 by 2 now. Take the given question is equals to y now. What happens here? Y is equals to sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 now, right? Sine inverse transfer, it becomes sine y is equals to that is the sine of what term? Minus 1 by 2 now, right? ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ sin inverse ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿತಿಗಲಿ it is minus 1 by 2 now, minus 1 by 2 search minus 1 by 2 in sin table only. Sin y is equals to that is sine of minus 1 divided by 2 here. Okay, then sin y is equals to that is the sine of keep minus as it is now. 1 by 2 lies in sin table. ಯಾವ value ಯಾವ place ನಾಗ ಅದು how many degree 30 degree. 30 degree radian form pi by 6 correct. It is minus ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕಿದು minus pi by 6. y is equals to what happens here minus pi by 6 now correct. Think ಮಾಡಿ what is the sine inverse range is sine inverse range ಏನದ closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 now correct. Meaning ನಿಮ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಈ ರೇಂಜ್ ನಾಗ ಇರಬೇಕು correct, right. Minus pi by 6 meaning how many degree 30 degree. ಯಾವ 30 degree lies in which quadrant? ಯಾವ quadrant ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದ ಇದು ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಅದ. ಯಾವ quadrant ಬರ್ತದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ quadrant. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅದ ಇದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ. lies in which quadrant here fourth quadrant. No doubt the answer is in inside the range. So therefore y is equals to minus pi by 6 is belongs to that is minus pi by 2 to that is plus pi by 2. So therefore write down the principal okay, the principal value of sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 is is minus pi divided by 6 now, right? Same as it is to take up that is second question now, right? Solution, take the question as a y is equals to cos inverse of root 3 divided by 2 now. Root 3 divided by 2. First again ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ನೀವು cos range ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡೋಣ. Cos inverse range is ಏನದ closed interval 0 to pi. But take here closed interval 0 to pi. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರಬೇಕು ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ನಾಗ ಇರಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ನಾಗ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ನಾಗ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Now transfer cos inverse, it becomes cos y here. Cos y is equals to that is root 3 divided by 2 now. Cos y is equals to such root 3 in cos table, that is root 3 divided by 2 now. Okay, y is equals to now that is cos y is equals to cos of root 3 by 2 is how many degree 30 degree. Write down the radian especially pi by 6. Okay, now check here y is equals to pi by 6 is belongs to that range. of range ಒಳಗದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ pi by 6 meaning how many degree 30 degree plus 30 degree ಅದಾವು. plus 30 degrees lies in which quadrant? First or second? First quadrant. ಈಗ ರೇಂಜ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅದ ಇದು ಡೌಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. So therefore y is equals to pi by 6 is belongs to 0 to pi by 0 to pi range now. So therefore the principal value of cos inverse root 3 by 2 is answer that is pi divided by 6 now. Okay, ಎರಡು ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ರೇಂಜ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ಇರಲಿ. Okay. Question number 3. It is cosec inverse of 2 now. Take y is equals to cosec inverse of 2 here. Cosec inverse of 2 now. Right? Write down the cosec inverse range ಬರ್ತದೆ ಮೊದಲೇ ಅವತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Cosec inverse range is what? Cosec ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ sin minus 0. Sin range close interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 minus of what? 0. Exactly 0 ಬರಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. Right? Now transfer cosec inverse here. Cosec inverse it becomes what? Cosec y is equals to 2 now. Right? Cosec y is equals to such 2 in cosec here. Cosec 2 ಬಂತು. ಏನು ಬಂತು? Cosec 2 now. Cosec 2 here. Cosec 2. Right? Y is equals to take this cosec y is equals to cosec of 2. Cosec 2 sudden ಆಗಿ ನೆನಪು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು sin table. Take reciprocal of 2, that is 1 by 2. Right? How many degree? 30 degree. 30 degree tell me in radian 5 by 6. Now y is equals to what happens here? Y is equals to 5 by 6. 5 by 6 meaning how many degree? 30 degree. But ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, what is the range here? That is plus 5 by 2 to minus 5 by 2. That ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್. 5 by 6 that is 30 degree lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. In that side ಅದೇ ಇವಾಗ first quadrant ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Inside the range here. So therefore y is equals to 5 by 6 is that is belongs to that is minus 5 by 2 to plus 5 by 2 that is minus of what here? 0. ಈ ರೇಂಜ್ ನಾಗ ಅದ. So therefore the principal, write down every time this sentence is principal value of cosec inverse 2 is ಏನು 5 by 6 now. 5 by 6. Right? Take question number 4, same as it is here. Solution: y is equals to tan inverse of what? Minus root 3 now. Transfer tan inverse, it becomes tan now. Tan y is equals to minus root 3. Search the tan y as it is equals to search root minus root 3 means tan now. Tan of what? Minus root 3. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬಿಫೋರ್ tan ಇಂದ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡು. Tan inverse range is ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೆನಪಿಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ tan ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೆನಪಿಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ sin inverse similar tan inverse ಇರ್ತದೆ. sin inverse close interval ಇದ್ರಾ tan inverse ಇರ್ತದ open interval minus pi by 2 to what? Plus pi by 2 meaning that is a nod. ಇದು nod ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು that is the tan y is equals to that is the tan of minus ಹಂಗೆ tan root 3 meaning how many degree? 60 meaning pi by 3 now. Pi by 3. Kata. Then y is equals to what happens here? Y is equals to pi by 3. Check ಮಾಡು. Minus 60 degree lies in which quadrant? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡೋದು? ಎಲ್ಲದ ಇವಾಗ? Fourth quadrant. Inside the range only. So therefore y is equals to minus pi by 3 is belongs to minus pi by 2. That is a open interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 now. So therefore the principal value of tan inverse of minus root 3 is ಏನು is this pi by 3 is the answer now. Okay, right. Take question number 5, that is cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 now. Y is equals to cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 now. 1 by 2 here. Transfer cos inverse. Take this cos y is equals to that is minus 1 by 2. Right? Cos y is equals to such cos 1 minus 1 by 2 in cos table now. Right? Cos y is equals to cos as it is, keep negative as it is. 1 by 2 like 1 degree 60 degree. 60 degree radian pi by 3 now. Right? Before that write down the what is the cos inverse range now. ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Cos inverse range is closed interval 0 to pi now, meaning that is a dot here, consider auto dot that is 0 to that is a pi now, lies in first quadrant and second quadrant ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Right, y is equals to, that is take here minus pi by 3, minus pi by 3 meaning minus 60 degree. ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇತ್ತು ಇವಾಗ ರೇಂಜ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಇದೇನದ minus pi by 3 lies what here outside the range, range ಹೊರಗದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ತಪ್ಪದಾಯ್ತು. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Then take again, that is cos y is equals to cos of ಏನೇನ ನಿಮಗ pi minus ಅದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಂತೇಳಿ pi minus pi by 3 now, pi minus pi by 3, then cos y is equals to cos of, simplify this one, 3 into pi, that is 3 pi minus 1 pi whole divided by 3, then cos y is equals to cos of 3 pi minus 1 pi, 2 pi by 3, then y is equals to 2 pi by 3 now. Okay, is it belongs to the range now? Pi by 3 meaning how many degree? 60. 60 into 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 120. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಇವಾಗ ಸೀದಾ minus 60 ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಇವಾಗ second quadrant ಗೆ ಬಂತು, that is 2 pi by 3 now inside the range. So therefore y is equals to 2 pi by 3 is lies belongs to what? Belongs to closed interval 0 to pi now. So therefore the principal value of cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 is how many? What is the value? That is 2 pi by 3 is the answer now. Okay, right now.